Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the facial massage I do as part of my self-care routine. I do this most days, it's very relaxing, and it's great for lymphatic drainage and getting a nice healthy glow. If you'd like to, you can follow along with me. This video is sponsored by Alitura Naturals. They make the Derma Roller that I use and I'm really loving it. I'm going to be doing the first half of the massage with my hands, and the second part is with the titanium derma roller, which is a micro-needler that's amazing for brightening your complexion, reducing the appearance of pores, and improving circulation. It also helps to improve your skin's absorption of the nutrients from the skincare products you use. Alright, so I'm going to start with a clean, washed face and no makeup at all. Then I'm going to warm up some coconut oil in my hands and massage it into my skin. Many of the moves in my facial massage come from the Tanaka face massage method. You'll notice after I massage a part of the face, I run my fingers along the side of my face downward toward the collarbone, which helps to assist the lymphatic drainage. I will put some links down below in the description box if you want to learn more about that. Before I begin the massage, I'm going to do some gentle stretching. First, side to side, breathing slowly, consciously making an effort to relax my body and mind. I believe that self-care is so important for overall wellness, and I absolutely love massages. They make me feel amazing. Next, I'm stretching my neck and shoulders by doing slow turns of my face looking left to right. If any of this does not feel comfortable to you, then skip it. I'm not a professional massage therapist or an esthetician. This is what I do on myself. Next, I'm doing a slow circle with my head. This is such a good stretch. I try to make each rotation about 8 seconds, not too fast, just a nice slow stretch, and it's really relaxing. Then go in the other direction. Alright, now it's time for the massage. I like to warm up my hands and rest them on my face for a few seconds. It feels really nice. Alright, now I'm applying medium pressure and massaging the sides of my mouth up and down. When I'm done that, I start from just below my temples and gently press down toward my collarbone a few times. Next, I'm going to do the same type of massaging movement to the sides of my nose. This is called the nasolabial area of your face, between your nose and your mouth. It's incredible that when you're tense and stressed out, the muscles of your face tend to hold so much of that tension, and when you do a massage like this, you can literally feel yourself letting that all go. Letting go of the tension and the stress. Then, after that, I'm going to do the downward motions again on the sides of my face toward my collarbone. The next move is under the eye area. I'm starting at the center of my face and moving outward toward my temples. Not going right under my eyes, but on the bone. Now I'm massaging underneath my eyebrows. This is another area that I find can carry a lot of the muscle tension if you're stressed out, and massaging it feels really good. This can also really help with puffy eyes if you're retaining water in this area. It's also a good idea to have a glass of water when you're doing a massage to hydrate your body. Next, I'm massaging in backward circular motions behind and below my ears, and then we are going to work on the chin area. I do tend to put quite a bit of pressure on this part, so that's why it's good to have a lot of coconut oil on my face or other moisturizer so that I'm not tugging on dry skin. Okay, so now we're moving on to the Derma Roller. I will put a link to this in the description box if you want to check them out. They've got a lot of other great items on their site as well. Now I'm starting at the top of one cheek and rolling along with medium pressure toward the nose and going back and forth a few times. Then immediately after, I'm going to go over the same area vertically. You'll notice my skin getting red. That's okay, it goes away about 10 minutes after finishing the Derma Roller massage. Now I'm going to do the same thing just above my jaw. Then vertically again. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing I just did on the other side of my face. Now I'm doing the chin area. For the forehead area, I'm starting at the top, rolling the Derma Roller back and forth, and then up and down. And then doing the area above my eyebrows. Now I'm just going to do a letter C shape down the sides of my face, and I'm done. Thanks for watching, and if you followed along, I hope you enjoyed the facial massage. And remember to take time for yourself and for self-care. Sending you lots of love, and I'll see you next time. Bye.